Okay, today we will discuss about the topic what are the factors that affecting the rate of corrosion. Here the two major reasons for corrosion, those are nature of the metal and nature of the corrosion product and nature of the atmosphere. And we know how the corrosion takes place. Corrosion is nothing but destruction and consequent loss of a solid metal through an unwanted environment, through an chemical and electrochemical attack of the environment, like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, etc. This is called, with the moisture, this is called corrosion. That's why how those nature of metal and environment takes place a major role for corroding a metal. Then first of all, we will discuss about the nature of the metal and its surface. Here the first one is the position of the metal in the electrochemical series. Electrochemical series, also called as galvanic series. Then how can we define galvanic series? Is nothing but it is the arrangement of metals and with regarding electrode potential values. Electrode potential can be denoted by E0. The arrangement of metals, either the increasing order of oxidation potential or the decreasing order of reduction potential. According to this, metals are arranged. In this, most active metals and less active metals can be posted. With the E0 values, for example, here the hydrogen, the E0 value of hydrogen is 0. According to with this, zinc, the E0 value of zinc is 0.76 and the E0 value of copper is 0.34. For example, here we are taking zinc and copper, both are also metals. Here the question is which one will be corroded firstly. According to the electrochemical series, zinc will be corroded firstly. Why? Because zinc is active metal compared to copper. Zinc is active metal compared to copper. Here another example is iron with zinc. Here both are also metals, and which one will be corroded firstly means zinc will be corroded firstly because it is more active metals and zinc is more electropositive metal than iron. This is about electrochemical series. And the second one, which is the factor for the corrosion, is purity of the metal. The purity of the metal, if the metal is pure metal, then the chances for the corrosion is less. If the metal is impure metal, then the chance of corrosion is more. Generally, pure metal does not corrode as there is no cathode spot available to induce corrosion. And third one is surface of the metal. Then here when corrosion takes place, the metal is covered with one oxide layer, then one is layer. When metal reacts with environmental gases, more oxygen, a layer forms on the surface of the metal that is called oxide layer, which plays a major role for the corroding of a metal. A rough surface corrodes readily. Rough surface may be chance of readily corrosion when compared to the polished surface does not corrode it fastly. And fourth one is stress corrosion. We know about the concentration cell corrosion. Those are aeration corrosion, and then galvanic corrosion and pitting corrosion, stress corrosion. Here when a metal will be placed as stress, then here each and every metal, two parts have places two parts, one is anode and the second one is cathode. Here stressed part will be called as anodic part, will be corroded more. Here I'm giving one example. We know about caustic embrittlement, which is in boiler troubles, which is shown in boilers. When caustic embrittlement, stress corrosion, attack of alkali present in water on stressed boiler metal, stress will be taken place in boilers. Then this one is called as stress corrosion, and this caustic embrittlement causes the anodic part, causes the corrosion. And the fifth one is anode and cathodic areas. Each and every metal, we have two parts, anode and cathode. Anodic part will be corroded and cathodic part will be protected. According to this, when two dissimilar metals in contact, then the corrosion is more rapid. If anodic area is small, corrosion takes place then when anodic part will be small. According to this, over voltage, nature of the surface plays a major role. According to this, the position of the metal in electrochemical series, purity of the metal, surface of the metal, stress corrosion, anode and cathodic areas. According to this over voltage and nature of the surface films, physical state of the metal, and these are also the factors for the corrosion. And second one is factors connected with the nature of the atmosphere. We all know about the corrosion which takes place by environmental gases. That's why the factors of environment, that's why the factors of atmosphere plays a major role for corroding the metal. Here the temperature, pH, moisture is nothing but humidity, amount of oxygen and the amount of chemical fumes in the atmosphere, amount of the impurities in the atmosphere plays a major role. Then we can briefly explain the factors with the nature of atmosphere. First one, temperature. If the temperature increases, then the rate of corrosion will also be increases. Temperature increases, then the rate of corrosion will also be the increases. Then second one is pH of the atmosphere. What is pH? How can we define pH? Means it is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. It is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Generally, acidic media are more corrosion than alkaline and neutral media. Acidic media are more corrosion than alkaline and neutral media. Then the corrosion of metals rapidly attacked by acid can be reduced by increasing the pH of the attacking environment. If the lower the pH, the greater is the corrosion. If the pH is low, less, then the corrosion will be more. Then the amount of moisture. Then what is moisture? Means nothing but humidity. The corrosion of metal becomes faster in humid atmosphere. The corrosion of metals becomes faster in humid atmosphere is the gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen and vapor present in atmosphere. If the increase of moisture in the environment increases the rate of corrosion. Then fourth one, amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. We all know about how corrosion takes place. Means environmental gases reacts with metal, especially more oxygen. If oxygen is very more in environment, then the corrosion will also be more. In some cases it passive the metal. In some cases oxygen enhances the corrosion, and in the another it passivates the metal. And fifth one, amount of chemical fumes, amount of chemical fumes in the atmosphere. Industrial fumes like HCl, H2SO4 produce electrolytes which are acidic in nature, increase the rate of corrosion. We all know chemical industries releases the hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. These are also called as chemical fumes, which increases the rate of corrosion. Here, by giving these temperature, pH, amount of moisture, amount of oxygen, amount of chemical fumes, we are also giving two examples. Generally, we know about pipelines, underground pipelines. Then soil changes for one pipeline to another pipeline, one pipeline to another pipeline. Here, this is called differential aeration corrosion. Then what is differential aeration corrosion means? Then more oxygenated part, less oxygenated part. It is called more oxygenated part and less oxygenated part. We know that more oxygenated part act as anode and less oxygenated part act as cathode. More oxygenated part will be corroded. Then this is about the factors that affect in the rate of the corrosion. The two major factors that influencing the rate of corrosion is, one is nature of the metal and another one is nature of the atmosphere. Hope you will understood well. Thank you.